import profile accounts. After installing the software and importing the account, the first step in social marketing is to have a customer base, a collection of targeted customers. To collect customers, we will follow an action plan for 30 days. And at the end of the 30 days, we will have a Facebook profile with almost 1,000 friends. To follow this action plan, we will follow a schedule. I will show you the schedule. You'll be using all three different groups of accounts that we sent you and we imported in the last video. Basically, we will be performing some operations through the software, through the FFA software, and the basics of the action plan will include, like, there are 4 basic functions to the action plan. We will find the targeted friends, and we will send friend requests. We'll suggest friends, and we'll accept friend request. Another one, the fifth one that we'll be using will be canceling the pending request. These functions will be explained in detail in later. I will actually show you how we perform those actions after I show you the schedule. Now, Facebook is very strict about sending friend requests. Most of the time, if you send too many friend requests from an account, your account is shut down or blocked or banned. To avoid this problem, what we do is we divide our accounts into three types. Normal accounts. These accounts are only used to send friend requests and pass on their friends to the profile account. Now, profile accounts, these accounts only accept friend requests from normal accounts, and they don't send any friend invites. This increases their credibility, and the profile accounts also act as a reservoir of friends. Now, the personal account. Personal account, these accounts actually get the friends from the reservoir accounts. Those are the profile accounts, and they interact with the friends. Normal accounts are actually the personal account will be the one that will be doing marketing for us. Now I will show you the schedule that we will be using, 30-day schedule. Okay, this is the 30-day schedule. We will be performing some operations every day, starting from day 1 till day 30 at the end. And every day, so 1 here means the first day, and then operation 1, always look at the top. This is operation 1. What's the operation 1 is that normal accounts search and add friends. So you will be actually searching friends, which ones to add. That means those will be the targeted friends, and we will send friend requests, friend invites to them, and we'll be using normal accounts. N1 and N2 means normal accounts, the first 2 groups on the first day. So N1 and N2 means actually the group, N1 group and N2 group. And each of the group, when we were adding campaigns, each group has 2 accounts in it. So N1 has 2 accounts, N2 has 2 accounts. That means on the first day, we will be sending friend requests from these 4 accounts. And well, how many friend requests do we send? To begin with, we recommend that you send 10 to 12 requests from each account. So that means 10 to 12 from first account of N1, 10 to 12 from second account of N1, then 10 to 12 requests from first account of N2, and then second account of N2. I will show you how we do that once I explain the schedule. Okay, the second operation is that the profile accounts will add normal accounts as their friends. Why do we do that? There are 2 reasons for that. Number 1 is that once the profile account sends friend requests to N1 accounts, so profile account is 1 account and N1 has 2 accounts in it, so profile account will request send to 2 accounts of the N1 group. Okay, what happens here is that once the request is sent from profile accounts, our N1 accounts will accept those requests. So the acceptance rate for profile accounts will become 100%. That means that the credibility of our profile account increases. So we will make actually all our profile accounts friends with their corresponding normal accounts. What do I mean by corresponding? Means that Pro 1 will become friends with N1, Pro 2 will become friends with N2, Pro 3 will become friends with N3, Pro 4 with N4, and so on, up till Pro 10 becomes friends with N10. Now what happens? Once the request is sent from profile account to normal accounts have to confirm the friend request. So the operation 5 is confirm the friend request from N1 and N2. So if you see, for example, on day 1, your operation 3, you're not doing anything. Operation 4 is you're not performing that operation. So that's okay. So day 1, you'll be only performing 3 operations. There. So day 1, you'll be only performing 3 operations. N1 and N2 will send normal, the N1 and N2 normal accounts will send friend request. Operation 2 would be the profile accounts will add normal account as friends. Then you'll be doing operation 5, that will be confirm receive request. You'll be carrying on these operations till day 4. On day 5th, you will have two more operations added on. What's that? Operation number 3 will be added on day 5th. And that will be operation 3 is cancel pending request. What does it mean by pending requests? Well, pending request means that whenever we add a friend, we send them a friend request in operation 1. We send friend request, and not everybody accept our request. Number 1. Number 2, not every profile or the Facebook accounts that we add are the active accounts. So for example, if someone logs into Facebook every 10 or 15 days, they're not that active member, and we don't want to add them, we don't want to mark it. So what happens is that we add friends we send friend requests on day 1, we wait for a couple of days, that's 3 days actually, day 2nd, 3rd and 4th, we wait and to get the maximum acceptance rate, so that if someone is not logged in 1 day or 2 days, that's okay. And so on day 5th, what we do is we cancel all the pending requests. Means people who have accepted our request, those have already become our friends, but who have not accepted our request, by day 5th, it's most likely that they will not accept our request. So it's good if we just cancel our request, because what happens is that will increase the acceptance rate for our account. For example, if we send 10 friend requests on day 1 and we have 6 people who have accepted friend requests, so by day 5th we have our acceptance rate at 60%. And if we cancel those pending requests, so that means that the request sent from us becomes 6, and then the people who have accepted also become 6, so our acceptance rate becomes 100%. That increases the credibility for the account, which is very important. So we cancel the pending request. Operation 3 is added on day 5th, and the reason is because we wait for a couple of days for people to accept. And operation 4 is that N1 and N2 will suggest their friend. Suggest friends is an option in Facebook where you can actually suggest your friends to another friend of yours. So this feature is provided by the Facebook, and we will use this feature in our action plan. So what happens is that here normal accounts are suggesting their friends to profile accounts. Actually, it will be to their corresponding profile accounts. For example, N1. So N1 is a group of normal accounts that has 2 Facebook accounts in it. So N1 will be will be suggesting their friends to Pro 1, and N2 will be suggesting their friends to Pro 2. Now always whenever I mention, for example, N1 colon Pro 1 means, and here too, for example, Pro 1 colon N9, most of our agents get confused. Okay, who do I log into? Do I log into N accounts or Pro accounts, for example, from here? See, always you log into the first account, and then the other account here you add as a friend. So first account, always use login to the first account on the first side of the column. So here too, on this column, you will log in as N1 account, and then you will suggest friends to Pro 1. You will log in as N2 and suggest friends to Pro 2. Okay. Now we see here on day 9 we have operation, no, sorry, on day 10 we have another operation that is being added, is actually the profile accounts suggest friends to the personal account. See here, profile Pro 1 and Pro 2 will suggest their friends to the personal account. So what happens here is that we are actually funneling all our friends from the normal groups, from the normal accounts to the profile, and from the profile accounts to the personal. So to the in the beginning we're going to have 20 normal accounts. That means 10 groups of normal accounts, and we'll have 10 profile accounts and 1 personal account. Total 31. So so our friends will be funneled down from 20 normal accounts to 10 profile accounts, from there to 1 personal account. So these you will follow this operation, this schedule on daily basis. You will be able to schedule some of the operations as well. I will show you how to do that until day 30. So now at the end of the day 30, you should have 1 personal account that will be close to somewhere between 600 to 1000 friends. Don't worry about it, because what you do is that as many friends you have at the end of the 30 day, you will invite them to your fan page, and then we will multiply that. We will from your fan page we'll be posting contests, prizes, and those prizes will be the prizes that will encourage your friends to invite their friends. So for example, if you have around 1000 friends, or let's say, okay, let's keep it to 1000 for now, and I will bring down the proportion later. So if, for example, if you have 1000 friends at the end of the month, almost like the average friends that a normal account has on Facebook is 100. So that means if you have 1000 friends, we have access to 100,000 people, friends of their friends, and then friends of their friends, which goes viral. So your responsibility here, or what you have to work on, is that get your friends to your fan pages. Once you bring fan pages, once you bring 200 to 1000 friends to your fan page, and then we will use our marketing techniques to multiply that number. So you don't have to worry about if you don't have 1000 friends or 800 friends or 700 friends. You don't have to worry about, because we'll multiply that by having access to their friends. Okay. Now once we once you reach the the day 30th, you don't stop there. You carry on with your marketing plan, and I will show you here how you will carry on, because what happens is that most of these operations are being repeated every 5 days. See here, if you see that when we are sending friend requests, like operation 1, day 1 is we are sending friend requests from N1 and 2. So if you come to day 6, Like right after we are sending friend request again from N1 and N2, and then if you come to day 11, we are sending again friend request from N1 and N2. If you come on day 16, N1 and N2, that means that every 5 days the operation is repeating itself. Now here the operation 2 will end on day 10, so you will not need to most probably repeat it, and operation 3 starts from day 5th, but same thing happens as happened in day 1. You see that we are cancelling the pending requests on day 5th here, and if you look at it again on day 10th, we are cancelling again from N1 and N2, and if you go down 5 days later, we're doing it with again day 15 and then day 20. So every 5 days it's repeating. So what you do is that after 30 days, when you're here, you don't stop, you carry on. So by that time you will understand that, okay, what do I need to repeat. See, if you see it here, N1, N9 and 10. So after that you come back to N1 and N2 and then keep repeating operation 1. Same goes to operation 4. So N1 and N2 are suggesting their friends on day 5th, and N1 and N2 are suggesting their friends again on day 10th. Same goes here. Pro 1 and Pro 2 are confirming requests, and then Pro 1 and Pro 2 along with personal account are confirming the friend request 5 days later. So all these operations are being repeated 5 days after another, 5 days after another. So once you reach 30 days, you just carry on, keep repeating them as they are happening here. Pro 1, Pro 2, Pro 3, Pro 4, and then Pro 1, Pro 2 again on day 15. So you will carry on this operation. Okay, after this I will talk about these operations and show you how to do these 6 operations on FFA software.